Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I hope you like the video you're about to watch. Just wanted to bring up that one, I am not a makeup artist. I do not know how to do makeup. I'm just showing you tricks that I use in order to hide my circles and my sunkenness. Also, I'm aware that my eyeliner and my eyelash is not okay at the end of the video. I do have essential tremors, so I am not the best when it comes to that kind of thing. But again, thanks for watching and I hope you like it. Hi, welcome back to my channel again. So for today, I will be showing you how I get rid of my dark sunken circles. It's been a struggle for the past, like 29 years, okay? So I've always had circles since I was little. It was like a it's genetics basically, okay? My dad had it, my aunts have it, my grandfather, whatever, grandmother, they all had it. Now I have it, which sucks because no one else has it but me out of 4 children. Anyways, okay, so I will show you how I get rid of these bad boys, because as you can see, they're really bad, and I'm like light skin and then dark, so it's like a big contrast. Okay, first what I do is I just get a little bit of toner and I just wash my face a little bit. Get a little bit of toner, which my go-to is this bad boy right here. I don't know if you can see it. Tell me you can see it. Okay, there we go. So I'm just wiping down any excess oils. Alright. Okay, now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna let it dry for a few minutes. I already washed my face, so your face should already be washed. I just use this to just clean up a little bit more. Now I'm gonna take my secret oil that I made. So I'm just gonna go 1, 2, 3, whatever, squirt that biatch. Squirt the oil in there. And then I'm just gonna make sure I moisturize my face. Moisturizing is very, very important. Like, I cannot stress how important it is to moisturize your eyes. So now I'm going to highlight with my Pro Concealer, right? Whatever, you guys heard of this before. So this is what, orange. So I use this for under my eyes. So I'm going to show you what I do. Go bam, 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 bam. So as you can see, that's all I put. I put a little bit too much, but it's okay. But I did put a little bit too much. Now I'm gonna take my small ass beauty blender that I have and just see, like, that's too much in my opinion, but it's okay. We're gonna make this work. If you put too much, then when you put your concealer, your foundation, all that stuff, you're gonna see a little bit of an orange tinge underneath it. Well, at least I do. So that's why I don't put that much. I get my foundation. This is my Fenty Beauty foundation, okay? Fenty Beauty, whatever. You know what it is. It's Fenty Beauty. This is the truth. It helps me so much. It's really good at concealing everything with just light coverage. No, it's full coverage, but I only need a little bit of it, which I love. But shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. Now I'm gonna just go teardrop on my eye, teardrop on my eye, and then everywhere else, everywhere else, everywhere else. Okay, and that's what I do. That's what I do. And I wet my beauty blender a little bit, but I wet it with setting spray, but it's like the Rosewater setting spray. I don't know why I started doing this, but I did. I saw people do it with water, and I didn't have water one day, and I was like, oh, let me use my setting spray, and it worked, and it makes it nice and concealed. I'm just gonna start over here first. Try to make sure I get on my neck too, because you know, you want it to match. And now I'll put a little bit more underneath my eyes, but not too much, because you're gonna go there. You're gonna go with concealer as well. So I do it like that, right? I go around in a circle. Dab it up, 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 dab it up. All right. And then I'm gonna go on my other side. And that's pretty much it for right now. I don't put too much on my face, but everywhere else I put. So that's it. Looks a little bit orangey to me, but like I said, I put too much. Okay, I'm gonna start with my Born This Way concealer. It's really good, really good. I love this concealer. It's by Too Faced. I don't know. I don't put all the information about them, but I got this color in natural beige. You know, gotta make sure it's lighter than you for it to work. So now this is what I do with my eyes. I go just like that, honestly. I don't put too much. Like I see people put like the triangles. We ain't gotta do all that. Cause this is like really good. We ain't gotta do all that. Then I'm gonna go and I'm gonna take my other small beauty blender. So this one is my concealer beauty blender. The other one was for the orange concealer. Now this is for my light concealer. All right, let's fuck it up. So now I'm gonna take my setting spray, and again it's Rosewater. I'm just gonna spray it up. You know, it's not too wet, but it's wet, you know. So now I'm gonna go in there and I'm just going to dab, 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 dab. Bring it out a little bit and bring it down. So as you can see, that's why you don't need that much. You can see that it's like mad white, but it's okay because it's supposed to be that way. But as you can see, it's really, really white. It's like really light. So I just keep doing that until I'm satisfied. And right now I feel satisfied. And you can even go with your little finger and then go like kind of like dab the corners because you don't want to over dab too. And just like so, like that. I take my other concealer, which is from Clinique. This is my bad boy. This is my go-to for everything. So if I don't want to put a full face, if I just want to cover up my circles, I just use this. Doesn't do as good as a job with this and the other concealer and yeah, all that. But this is good enough for just like real quick going outside and you don't want to look a hot mess. So I use my Clinique. Okay. And this is a darker shade than the other one. This is just beige. And the reason why it's a darker shade is so that it could, you know, make this coloring not so bright. So I take this and I go here and I do like so. Alright. So I'm just gonna put it in the corners. Because if you could see my sunken circles, you can see where it's sunken. So it's just kind of like playing with lighting almost. So I got like that, whatever. And I put a little bit on the nose ridge. Bloop, 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 bloop. ain't that see? We done. Just kidding. Not done. But now I'm gonna take my other small one. I have like a lot of these. These are come in handy for me because you know they just do. So Rosewater, eeny and squeezy, and you're gonna take it and just blend it out. You know, do what you did last time before. And I just go all around my nostrils. I even go a little bit into my eyes so it doesn't look so bright, if that makes sense. And then I do the other side. And you always want to make sure you're using the moist part. If one side starts getting dry, then turn it around. You know what I'm saying? All right, all right. Now, I think that's good enough. Now, I am going to lock it in. Right now, it still looks kind of white. I think it's the lighting. But now, I'm just going to lock it in with setting powder. I bought this a couple years ago, and it still lasted me forever. But it's the BADESCU Luxury Powder. Whatever you want to call it. This be doing me right. Right. Period. So I take this kind of brush, and like we always do, we gon' dab. So I'ma just dab, like so. Dab. And you don't want to put too much, because if you put too much, you're gonna cake it, and then you're gonna make your creases. Because I have a lot of creases, so my creases is not gonna be cute. Period. All right. Oh, my bands. Gotta leave it up there. Don't be coming down, girl. I don't really put that much. I only put it on my focus areas, which is obviously here. So that's it. I don't put that much. I just leave it like that. Boom, y'all. Now I'm going to do the rest of my face. And you don't need to see the rest of my face because I'm done with my eyes. And I'm going to just basically buff it out. But I'm going to do the rest and I'll be right back. That's my final look. As you can see, my circles, they are gone. Okay, so if you like this video, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. If you like what you see, leave a comment. Let me know what you do in order to hide your circles or your sunken eyes. Like me, this is something that I was just born with, and as I get older it will get worse for me, I guess. But I do things for my eyes to you know, slow it down, I guess you can say. And that's pretty much it. Again, thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe and to like this video. Okay, but let's get into this look. Period.